Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets. Kids, now we coloring alphabets A to Z. First we are using and mixing the color of black. Subscribe to our channel. Now we using black color. Kids, first we draw the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. And the next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. The next one is C, C for cow, C for cat. The next one is D. The alphabet of D. D for dog, D for doll. The next one is E. E for egg, E for elephant. And the next one is F, F for fish, F for fan. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is G, G for goat. Kids, the next one is H, H for hand. Now we're coloring the alphabet of H. The next one is I for ice, I for ice cream. And the next one is J, J for jackfruit, K for kite, and the next one is L, L for lion, L for lemon. Now we're mixing black color. M for moon, M for mango. The next one is N for nose, N for nest. Kids, the next one is O, O for orange. And the next one is P, P for penguin, P for parrot. The next one is Q, Q for queen. And the next one is R, R for rose, R for rice. Kids, subscribe to our channel. And the next one is S, S for sun, S for snake. The next one is T. T for tiger, U for umbrella. The next one is V. V for van, V for vanilla. And the next one is W. W for wolf. And X for Xmas tree. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Y for yolk. And the last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Hello kids! Today we coloring 2D shapes. First we are using blue color and now we mixing blue color. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we coloring 2D shapes. First we coloring the shape of star. Kids, subscribe to our channel. The shape of star. Kids, the next one is pentagon. The shape of pentagon. Kids, the next one is square. Now we're coloring the shape of square. Kids, now we're using the color of green. Now mixing green color. Subscribe to our channel. Now we're mixing and using green color. Kids, now we're coloring the shape of square. The next one is triangle. Subscribe to our channel. Now we're coloring the shape of triangle. Now we're using the color of green. The next one is circle. Kids, now we're coloring circle. Kids, now we are using the color of yellow. Now we're mixing yellow color. Subscribe to our channel. Yellow color, yellow color. Now we're mixing yellow color and coloring the shape of circle. The last one is trapezoid. We again using the color of yellow. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Today we coloring alphabets, numbers, shapes. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.